This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Sharon Baker. Impressive home in immaculate condition. Shows like a model home. Eat-in kitchen with island, new stainless steel appliances, open floor plan. Engineered wood flooring and ceramic tile downstairs, ceramic tile and Berber carpet upstairs. Remodeled kitchen and baths. Second floor offers 2 master suites, each with own ensuite and vaulted ceilings. Great location, just minutes from LAFB I64. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Baker at 757-814-9440.